Hello, hello. How are you? This is Tina. I hope you guys are enjoying the oldies but goodies Gen X 2 Toons ATC card. Hashtag Gen X Toons. We are now 2 months in. Have we covered a few of yours favorite ones? Well, this one is a very popular one in my opinion. It wasn't one that I got into too often. I mean, I've watched them, but I didn't rush out to buy the little stuffed animals or the figurines or, stuff that along that line. And they still are pretty popular to this day because my grandchild plays and has them. Care Bears! Ta-da! Yes. So, what I did here is I didn't know what to do for the Care Bears. I'll be completely honest with you. So I just got some like music paper in the background because I picked this little. I had just a few Care Bear stickers. Come on, camera. And it's just playing the harp, so I went in perfect harmony. All I know is this bear has a rainbow on his tummy, so I don't even know that name of that Care Bear. So I got a rainbow sticker up here. I got some like little pretty paper behind it, and I just put some stars going around it. So that is my Care Bear card. So if you know this one name, leave it in the comments and let me know so I can put it on the back of it. I'd greatly appreciate it. I guarantee if I ask Sabrina, she don't. So go over and check out Sabrina's. See what she came up with for Care Bear. And I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.